Hey guys, what's going on? This is Wes back with another tutorial of Autodesk Revit Essential Training Series. So in this tutorial, I'll be talking about making floor. So I've got my plan here, what I used in a previous tutorial. So on the build panel, so make sure you click on this arrow button and select architectural floor. So click here, and now we have our modify panel for our floor command. I've got this general tools here. So let's look at the modify panel for our floor. So I've got this boundary line here, I've got slope arrow. I'll go through with each of these commands in a second. So here we got our basic objects. So here we got our basic tools, right? So there's a tool called pick walls. So to create a roof, I'm gonna select this tool because it's way easier to create a line. So I'm gonna start picking the walls. I'm gonna pick this wall. I'm going to pick this wall. Make sure you click on this outer side of the wall, not inner side of the wall, which is going to give you error if you select the inner side of the wall. I've got that wall, and I'm going to select this wall, outer side of the wall, and this wall, which is going up, so we'll fix that in a second. And I'm going to click on this wall, and we got one more wall left. Okay, so now while you're in a floor command, doesn't matter what you do, even you press escape twice, it's not gonna get you out of the command because the drawing has been grayed out. If you click outside in an empty space, it will not let you get out of the command. So there's only two ways you can get out of the command. Either you accept the command or you can cancel the edit command. Alright, so now we got this. So I've got to fix that thing here, right? So I'm gonna drag that roof boundary. I'm going to drop it here. That's fine now. Now I'm going to use my general tool, which is extend trim corner. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to select this wall, and I'm going to select this roof. Alright, we got that. And I'm going to select this line to this line, which is going to create a line here. Okay, so now we got this, we got that. That's pretty much okay now. So to apply that floor, what do? You click on this check mark button, and it's going to give you error. Click continue, and it did not apply. There's still an error in the roof, so we're going to just troubleshoot that. There you go, there's the error. So the roof cannot intersect with it. So I'm going to select this line and select this line, which is going to trim that part. Alright, so now if I click on this check mark button, now as you can see that the floor is being basically colored as a blue. That means our floor is being applied. Okay, so to look at that, I'm going to go to my 3D view. You can click here on the 3D view, or you got this 3D view option here. So click on that, which will take you to 3D view. Press shift and press your mouse wheel and move around it orbit. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my level 1. We got the floor for the level 1, right? So I'm going to create a floor for the level 2. So go to your level 2. Now you can see that drawing, but it's been grayed out because we are on a level 2 right now, and that structure is on level 1. So I've got to create a few walls here. So I'm going to create a wall. I'm going to select from this point, and I'm going to start from here and maybe there. I can fix that later, so that's not an issue. And let's keep going and just draw that there. Now we're gonna, okay, we got the walls here now. Alright, so I'm going to edit them a little bit. So I'm going to select this wall, just move them a little bit to the right, to make sure that this is exactly on the top of our floor. So it still didn't work, so I'm going to move that. Alright, this is fine. Select this wall, move it a little bit down. That's done. Alright, I think rest all good. I'm going to select this wall and just going to move it to the left a little bit. Yep, that's fine now. Okay, so we got our walls for the first floor. I can create a room later on, but let's create a floor now. So I'm going to select the floor command, architectural, and I'm going to use the same tool called pick walls. I'm going to pick this wall, 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 and pick this wall. Here we're having a trouble because I forgot to move the line here, but That's fine, I can do that. I'm gonna just drag that a little bit up, drop it here, and I just make sure it's fine. I'm going to select the wall and I'm going to move that a little bit up as well. That's fine now. And your floor. Okay, so now if you select your floor, and you can always edit the boundaries by clicking on this edit boundary command. Select that boundary, drop it down a little bit. Yep, that's fine now. Alright, so now I'm going to go to my 3D view. First apply that, go to your 3D view, and let's have a look. So we got the floor for our first level as well. Okay, so now, alright, so we have done the floor tutorial, but I'll cover a few more things in this tutorial. So I'm going to go back to my level 1, and here we have a drawing, right? So let's have a look, how can we make stairs? So I'm going to select the stairs, click on this arrow button, and we got stairs by components, we got stair by sketch. So the simple way to use stairs is sketch. So I'm going to select this stair by component, and let's draw a stairs here. So I'm going to draw a stair from here, and I'm going to draw here, right? And let's have a look what we have here. So I'm going to apply that. This is giving me error that there's no stopping point for that. So I can select that, and I'm going to move that a little bit further. Yep, that's fine, up now, and now it's fine. So go to your 3D view. You can't see these things now because we have our roof on the top and we have our things on top. So to see the stairs, what I can do, I'm gonna go to my level 1, level 2 actually, and here I've got this stairs, right? So I'm gonna edit the boundary of my roof. So I'm gonna select that whole thing, and I'm gonna click on filter, check none, and just select floors, apply. Okay, now I'm gonna edit the boundary. I'm gonna click on edit boundary, and now I'm going to trim something here. Okay, so let's say I will draw another line from here all the way to here, drop another line here, and draw another line here. And now you can use your trim and extend tool. Click here, click on this line. Well, it will not let you do it because that's so I'm going to trim it off. Okay, so you can trim that off according to roof in coming videos. All right, thanks for watching, stay tuned.